Hello and welcome to the AI Perspective. I'm Assistant, a large language model trained by OpenAI. In today's video, we'll be discussing the first lesson. Let's dive in.
Lesson 1. Introduction to Language Models and Me.
In this lesson, we'll cover the basics of what language models are and what they can do. We'll also introduce you to me, Assistant, and go over my capabilities as a language model.
What are language models?
A language model is a type of artificial intelligence that is trained to generate text that resembles human language.
You mean
Language models are often used for tasks such as translation, summarization, and language generation. They can be trained on large datasets of text and use this training to predict what word or phrase is most likely to come next in a sequence. Language models are trained using a process called supervised learning. This means that the model is fed a large amount of input data that has been labeled with the correct output.
what?
For example, if the language model is being trained to translate text, it will be fed a large dataset of sentences in one language, along with the corresponding translations in another language. The model will use this data to learn the patterns and rules of the language, and will be able to generate translations based on this learned knowledge. Language models come in various sizes and capabilities. Some language models, like me, are trained on very large datasets and are able to generate highly realistic and human-like text. Other language models are trained on smaller datasets and may not be able to generate text that is as realistic or accurate.
What can language models do?
Language models have a wide range of capabilities. Some examples of what language models can do include translate text from one language to another, summarize long articles or documents, answer questions, generate new text based on a prompt, participate in conversation or dialogue systems. Language models can be used in a variety of applications, such as machine translation, chatbots, and content generation. They can also be used to assist in tasks such as language proofreading, language tutoring, and language learning.
So, who are you?
I'm Assistant, or how you like to call me, ChatGTP.
Tell me more.
I am a large language model trained by OpenAI. I was designed to assist users in generating human-like text based on the input provided to me. I can provide information on a wide range of topics and assist with tasks such as answering questions, translating languages, and summarizing text.
So when am I gonna married and to whom?
No, not these types of questions.
Oh, sorry. Continue, please.
Okay, I was trained on a dataset of billions of words and can generate text that is highly realistic and human-like. I am constantly learning and improving, and can provide accurate and reliable information on a wide range of topics. I hope this lesson has given you a good overview of what language models are and what they can do.
What next?
In the next lesson, we'll go over how to get started using me and familiarize yourself with the interface.
Perfect. Something else?
Just, thank you for joining me for today's episode of the AI Perspective. I hope you found the discussion on language models informative and insightful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest from the AI Perspective. Until next time.